Racing equipment side of the racetrack out of Manchester, Connecticut. Qualified on the bubble at set 671, 213. Jason Dunigan from Team DME at Jackson, Michigan. Qualified at number 1 spot at 633, 235. Dunigan, I probably this year, is going to be a man on a mission. The last couple of years, so close to a world title. But this year, he says it's going to be different this year. Andy Sawyer, the crew chief. Make sure everything's good to go when they turn them loose. As Kenny Brewer puts the visor down, Andy Sawyer steps away, and we're going to go. Round number 1, Ford Express, Pro Street. Get Dunigan qualified number 1, Brewer number 16. Wow, that was a good race. 238 miles per hour for Jason Dunigan. As our next pair, Jamie Lowe's left side and Rudy Sanzotera. Lowe's out of the Caribbean. 648, 222 qualifying. Rudy Sanzotera in the 9th spot. 649. 227 at St. Peters, Missouri. Winner here is Jason Dunigan in round number 2. Jamie Lowe and Rudy Sanzotera 645, 228. It was his best run ever in 2 years. His career best was 670 with a 7 that he ran at the Spring Nationals back actually last year. So Shaker and Brad Christian. Here we go. Shaker and Christian. Round 1, Brett Christian, 683, takes number 50. We'll move on to round number 2 in an upset. Dylan Neiman from Curacao, which I'm sure our tower director Denise has been there. She takes like 60 vacations a year. Okay, not 60, more like 70. Anyway, Spencer Clayton, Rockford, Tennessee, ran a career best. Down there, top man, got him, 650. Dylan Neiman with a career best takes out number 4 in another upset. Lane choice. But I think Rodney waited patiently, was willing to wait, and Mark Godin shook his head and said, unfortunately, it's just not going to happen. So broke by here for Rodney. Rodney Williford choice. Ryan Bonitatis, Caleb Wood. Here we go. It looks like it's going to be Ryan Bonitatis at 6:49 at 2. Our final pair, the Pro Street A, Andrew Ritchie and Jason Gehrman, both of them career best in qualifying. The winner here gets Mike Sweeney in round number 2. We have seen a number of upsets in round number 1 this morning. Yes, I'm ever speechless. That's scary. He will give up lane choice. All right, here we go. Reese Otero, Jason Dunigan. Dunigan qualified number 1, sets Otero number 9. Marty and Rodney go to the next round. The winner here is Rodney, round 3 in the standings. finalists in Pro Street. Give me their pre-stage. RPM building up. Mike Sweeney, official on the VMP staff. Hot humid conditions, hot track temp, and we're seeing stellar numbers. Here we go. Brad Christian. And Andrew Ritchie, the other half of the final. Both these guys have been over in the 620s and over 240 miles per hour. Rodney has more 240 mile an hour runs than the rest of the class does combined. They're free stage. Who's going to your Pro Street final? He had the choice of lanes. Brad Christian's having a stellar weekend. Mike Sweeney can say the same. Do we have our real street semis in the water box? So Mike Sweeney will go to his first Pro Street. Burnouts have been complete. Street final round. Mike Sweeney, Thomaston, Connecticut. Jason Dunigan, Jackson, Michigan. Dunigan looking for another win. Mike Sweeney looking for that first one. His wife Ashley out there had a pretty good day weekend in Real Street. But here we go. It's time to settle it here at Virginia Motorsports Park. Your Orient Express Pro Street final round. Mike Sweeney and Jason Dunigan. It's going to be Jason Dunigan, 6:32.37, low ET of the weekend. I tell you what, Mike Sweeney